What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today, me and all the kids and Daddy, we're going in a Best Buy to get some more accessories and memory cards for our camera. Go ahead, let's go across. Let's go, y'all. Fetch. Let's go ahead and get us some accessories. You guys know we just got the a GoPro. Okay, get a mask. Thank you. We just got the GoPro 9, and we also got another M50, Canon M50. So I want a mic. I really want the Rode mic. It's something I've been wanting for forever. Usually sold out, but they finally have it in stock. But we're debating between that and a little fuzzy mic. And then also I need a long stick. She told me my GoPro when I bought it that it came with a stick, but I don't see one. So we're gonna get that. Sometimes I be like, it's so dumb that I be buying smart TVs because a Fire Stick ain't nothing but $24.99. Comment down below if you have a smart TV or you use Fire Stick. But it's the Fire Stick Lite. Yeah, I'll take it to the restroom. He's like, Mom, that camera looks like yours. This is the camera I got. I got the Canon M50. It's $649. I actually got a really good deal on the new one. I've only paid $540 for it. And then the other one that I have is this one. It's $899.99. That one comes with the 2 kit lenses. But cameras are pricey. I just had a Peach say, Peaches, I didn't know cameras cost so much money. This Canon is the Canon EOS, right? The camera by itself is $1,000, and then this lens that they have on it is an additional $699. So YouTube is like a business, and when people invest in these cameras, they're investing in their businesses. I strongly advise you buy, a camera and stuff. I need to get a flash too. Hey, my babies, we're in the making. What camera you like, baby? That camera only $500. I've never used this one. It got a flip-out screen. That's not bad. It got a flip-out screen. That's what I be looking for. And it does wide range. What camera you like? You like this one? Ooh, baby got taste. This camera is $2,799. The Sony. How much is the lens, or does that come with that lens? The Sony Alpha AR7. Y'all, cameras get so pricey, boy. That vlog, what they got? They got a stabilizer. I need one of those. Sure, come on, guys. Come here, baby. Hold on, guys. You want this mic? It says Talk and Go portable mics. These are desktops. They're $49.99. $99 and then $149. So this one is $49.99. This one is $99, and then this one is $149. That's what we have. We have the GoPro. So we got the GoPro 9, which is this one. I wonder should I have bought the GoPro Max. So we got the GoPro 9, y'all. It's $3.99. And we came to get some accessories for it. My oldest is going to look at PlayStation stuff. So we need to get some stuff for it.
I see it. I got this.
Yep, we already got the chest strap, the head strap.
What about it?
We got that stand as well. We need a stick. That's what we need to get.
I see the head top of the one.
Nope, we don't need tripods. We need like a GoPro stick, like this. Max. GoPro handler. This one would work. I wonder how long does it extend though. It's a floating grip. This is for when you want to go underwater. That's not the one I want.
Mommy, look. Now, what am I doing?
I want a long GoPro stick.
Oh, you stick?
Yeah, but I don't see one.
I
should have got this one. It came with a stick and a chest strap versus I had bought the chest strap by itself. And the head strap, these are $40 by themselves. I should have got the kit. And it would have been $50, and I would have got a stick.
You know what that was?
Yeah, this is what we need. This GoPro 3-way mount. I don't know if I love this one. This one, it could be like one of these long extender mounts or a mount like this. And this one is $70. Let me get Daddy's opinion if you think we should buy that one for $70 or if I should just get a short stick for $30. But it also does regular mounting. And then the GoPro backpack is $149. Let me look for a bigger camera bag. Come here, baby. Baby.
Hold on, Mommy.
Star Wars. Come on, baby. I'm looking. I'm gonna look. These are cable camera stabilizers. This is something that I need to buy. You can actually put your real camera on it. I have a phone stabilizer, which works great, but I do need a camera one. So these are more so phone stabilizers. This one is $80, but I need a camera stabilizer, and those get pricey. $269, $199. It might be cheaper to buy these on Amazon, but they price match, guys. Let me see. Penguins, yep. Can I get you that? What is it? How much does it cost?
$3.
$3? If it's $3, I'll buy it.
No.
It's more than $3, I don't know. So I can have this particular camera bag. I actually got my camera with me right now in this bag, but I need a bigger bag because all of the stuff I have for my GoPro doesn't fit. So we need to get a bigger camera bag. Sometimes it could be cheaper at Walmart. That book bag is okay. The book bag is $129.
No.
This one is $49.99. Let me huddle up with Daddy and see what we should buy. Watch your siblings for us. What you looking at, babe? What, the sticks? Nope, they're on the other aisle. They're kind of pricey. You see the drone I want, babe? Look, these are sticks. Do you think, babe, do you think we should get this stick for $30? Or you think we should get... Yep, Sloth Bear. Choice want this toy. He's seen that, and I'll probably get him this as a Christmas gift. What you say, babe? I don't know. Daddy going to look at the little kids. I'm trying to see which one we should get. Because we already got the head strap. If I had the case, I would bring my head strap back and get this instead. But either way, I might get this one.
Okay.
It's a gremlin. Wow. This one, it says the handler, floating hand grip, a head strap, but we already got one, and then a compact case. So that's why I really don't want to get that one. That's silly. Because I already bought it without a bundle. I already have a dual charger. So look, this one is just $30, babe. And then that's just $20 extra. That is a penguin, and then that one is a sloth bear, right? Y'all, this is so complex. Or if I should just get this, the 3-way grip. I'm gonna get somebody to help me because Daddy not helping me with my decision. And then we need to get some memory cards. That's only 64 gigs. That wouldn't do anything for me. I like my memory cards to be at least 128 gigs. Find somebody that's working over here. Bye. You want those headphones? This is Best Buy toy aisle. They normally don't have this aisle like this, but it's Christmas time and my kids are on it. Oh Lordy, help me. So the headphone, gorgeous one. They got JoJo Siwa.
They got Pokemon.
30. I'm not buying this stuff now. Y'all, if I buy y'all this stuff now, y'all won't have nothing to get for Christmas. Put it back and we'll wait till Christmas, please. Because what are you going to have under the Christmas tree if you get it now? You're not going to have it under your Christmas tree. The Minnie Mouses are only $19.99.
This baby Yoda.
Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Let me leave Daddy over here with his kids and find somebody that can help me decide which stick I should get. Hopefully Stacy is here. Stacy is like my favorite Best Buy camera person. But excuse me, can you call somebody to help me in cameras? Okay. Well, I'm just trying to figure out what accessories I should buy. Okay. And then get a memory card. Thank you. This is what I want to get into, this brand. It's so pricey. Yes. Comment down below if you have a drone with a camera. Which brand is your favorite? We're going to be investing in a drone soon. This one, Daddy really wants one. Anyways, that one's $16.99. Evo brand. Hope I'm saying it right. And then this is the brand I've been looking at. These drones over here. The Evos look like they're better constructed. But for some reason, these DG, however you said, cost a little bit more. Yes, I need help. Oops, sorry guys. Can you...
Got a tripod mount, it looks like.
Would you suggest this 3-way over this single stick? Like, what's the difference? Does this extend? We want something that can extend. Do y'all have any extender kind of sticks, or can I hook up like regular selfie sticks to it?
I'm not sure. Let me see if I can find someone that has a little bit more knowledge about this.
Okay, thank you. Bigger bag. Daddy said to just get this, the handler grip, and then now I'm gonna look for us a bigger bag, or I might go to Walmart, because I know from experience Walmart has cheaper bags, so I might go to Walmart and get a book bag. So we just gonna get this bag. We need to get memory cards.
Okay.
Right here they only got 64 gigs, but we gotta get a 100 and something gig. No, it wasn't 200 and something. They got them like in the wrong spot. These like secure. Those are stabilizers. Camera stabilizers, they got them somewhere else because people might try to steal them. A memory card, we're gonna need 2. Thank you. So for memory cards, I shoot in 4K a lot. So I want a memory card with at least 100 and like 28 gigs. Do y'all have any of those left? I don't see one. I'm blind as a bat. This one, 28. How much are these? I don't see the price.
Well, those are just in the overstock. You want to look right below it. So that's
okay.
Right there.
And then for the GoPro, we just put in a little piece, right?
That's correct.
All right.
You don't need the adapter.
Okay. So this one is $29.99 and it's 128 gigs. It is SunDisk, and then that's Ultra Plus. And then this one is $38.99 SunDisk.
Correct. The Ultra Plus is more designed for capturing video.
Okay.
So I probably, since you're going to do GoPro, I probably would recommend the Extreme Plus.
Extreme Plus. Okay. And then what about, I have a Canon M50 as well.
I mean, they'll
Both
work. Yep.
for those. And I have to buy 2, right? For the 2 devices.
I mean, you can.
If I'm gonna, we're gonna vlog it twice, like one on the GoPro, one on the camera.
I mean, yeah, you just have to keep swapping them out, or you can just go ahead and buy 2.
So we're gonna get 2. They're $38.99 a piece, y'all. Thank you. All right, so that's what we're gonna buy in regards to this. And then lastly, yes, babe. So we're gonna get the kids another tablet because they had broke their other ones, but we're gonna wait.
No.
We're gonna wait until it's closer to Christmas. I got a gift card with 141 on it. All right, we're done. That's all we need. But I know we need another bag, and if you don't want to go to Walmart, we might get one out of here. I'm just trying to check out what it holds. This one is 50. Those are gonna be on sale for Black Friday. He want a new gaming PC, but he also want a bike. Well, the bike is his birthday gift. Okay, so with this, it has compartments to hold your camera perfect. So if you want to keep your lens on. And then with these kind of bags, I had a bag like this before. You can adjust these. You can put it down. This way y'all should let me come do me by myself. And then I'm gonna probably buy this bag, because then it could fit like both of my cameras. And it's only $49. The only thing is these straps. I'm a big girl and it's a little tiny bag. Might make one of the kids hold it. But for now, this is what we're gonna get, saving some money. Trying to get toys. And look at Choice, y'all. Choice don't want to grab them a bunch of penguins. Child. So this is what we're about to go get. Let's see what our damage is. Ninja. I don't know how much that deep fryer is. They got like all their little cooking stuff out here, ready for Black Friday. I love Best Buy. It's like my favorite store for electronics.
I get back.
Oh yeah.
Mama, people go in.
Your penguins. How much are they? Let me check. They $4?
No, you got 4 of them.
Oh, I'm not buying 4 of them. Let me see one. Let me price check one. Yes, I do. Can you price check this? Y'all look at what my total looking like already. 170. I'll buy 1. Choice, I'll only get 1. He grabbed 4. Y'all know he loved penguins. That was something he was requesting at school, but we're only gonna buy 1. How much is this? 17. What you think? Should I buy it for
No.
a LOL dog? We'll buy it.
No.
You say no. You want something? You want a snack? Yeah, let me put in my reward. Cool. All right, let's go, guys. Good job. Her pleasure. Come on. Come this way, buddy. Choicey, this way. And then I got my stuff right here. Wait, gorgeous. All right, go ahead, guys. Peach Patch, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. You heard, baby. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Like, follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.